Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in this Tinkershop tutorial, we're going to learn how to use our newest toy at the hackLAB. It is a heat press for mugs, so we're going to learn how to make designs for that. So let's get started. We are right now at the home screen for the Cricut design space. Scroll down to the bottom until you see New Cricut Mug Press. Click on Mug Design Setup. Select your size. We're going to use a large size and hit Customize. You're going to see a template on your screen, and right here is where it shows your wrap. So inside of this space is where your design is going to be captured. There's also some nice alignment tools at the top letting you know where to line up your mug in order to have it perfectly facing on one side or the other. So let's start a design. We're just going to go to Images, select my image, and I'm going to hit Insert. And I'm going to bring it down onto my work surface, a little smaller. Next, I'm going to add some text. Down also onto my design. I'm just going to put it right on top here. And I'm just going to change the text too. You can change the font text by clicking this drop-down menu. I'm going to select all of my pieces there. And I'm just going to group them together. I'm going to right click on top of it and I'm going to hit duplicate. So I wanted it to be on both sides of my mug. Just line them up. For this layer right here, I'm just going to hide it because we actually don't need it. And I'm going to click and drag a big square around everything. The last step is, after you've selected everything here, click attach. And now it should be ready to cut out. You can see that it's all perforated. Your next step is go to make it. Remember to click mirrored because it is heat press, and then hit continue, and then select infusible ink. Once again, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and that is how to create designs for the heat press for mugs. Thanks and have a great day.